Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to allow suggest emoji replacements on the Telegram app on your PC. This is a handy new update that makes chatting more fun and expressive by automatically suggesting emojis as you type. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Now, inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and click on it. This section controls how your messages look and behave. Scroll through the options until you find Suggest Emoji Replacements. This is the feature that automatically suggests emojis based on the words you type, like turning smile into a smiling face emoji suggestion. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Suggest Emoji Replacements. Once it's turned on, Telegram will start offering emoji suggestions while you're typing in your chats.